Hi, I'm Dave Martin from Martin's Auto Repair. I'm also the ASA president for the Phoenix chapter. And check out our new improved website.
Jackie Harry here with JB's Auto Service. Welcome to our ASA of Tucson's website.
Hi, this is Mike Pfeiffer from Certified Transmissions Complete Auto Care in Prescott, Arizona. Welcome to the ASA chapter of Prescott.
Hi, I'm David Whitmire, the Verde Valley chapter president. ASA is an organization that's dedicated to improving the automotive industry. You may have heard of co-opetition. As a chapter, we practice that. We're a group of local shop owners working together to improve the industry in our area. By meeting together, sharing knowledge. This covers everything from proper repair procedures, information on tooling, to how to run a profitable business. We help each other to everyone's benefit. Interestingly, the largest benefit has been to our customers.